All right, we're back. 15 USC 1692 F, unfair practices. A debt collector may not use unfair or unconscionable means to collect or attempt to collect any debt without limiting the general application of the foregoing. The following conduct is a violation of this section. The collection of any amount, including any interest, fee, charge, or expense incidental to the principal obligation, unless such amount is expressly authorized by the agreement creating the debt or permitted by law. So let's just say this is let's just say it's a bill. We're not going to attach it to any specific bill, but let's just say if it's a bill and an agreement, and now that you get communication from the debt collector, they're now trying to collect all these additional fees and stuff like that was never mentioned in the original agreement or allowed by law, because some laws will say that you can add this amount of fees, whatever. So if the law doesn't allow it and the agreement that was originally done does not say nothing about these extra charges that they're trying to make you pay for, then that would be a violation of this section here. The acceptance by debt collector. So number 2, the acceptance by a debt collector from any person of a check or other payment instrument post-dated by more than 5 days unless such person is notified in writing of the debt collector's intent to deposit such check or instrument not more than 10 nor less than 3 business days prior to such deposit. Let me see how to say with this one. We'll just kind of skip like these ones about the check thing because this is not really common. So the solicit. So we're gonna have to go over explaining these. They just look at it for what it is. The solicitation by a debt collector of any post-dated check or other post-dated payment instrument for the purpose of threatening or instituting criminal prosecution, depositing or threatening to deposit any post-dated check or other post-dated payment instrument prior to the date on such check or instrument. Causing charges to be made to any person for communication by concealment of the true purpose for communication. Such charges include, but are not limited to, collect telephone calls and telegram fees. So basically, with this, so let's read it one more time. Causing charges to be made to any person communicating by concealment of true purpose. So basically, they can't charge you for phone calls and whatnot. Number 6, taking or threatening to take any non-judicial action to affect disposition or disablement of property if there is no present right to possession of the property claimed as collateral through an enforceable security interest. There is no representation intent to take possession of the property, or the property is exempt by law from such dispossession or disablement. So I guess this would be like repossession of a car, foreclosures, and trying to take something back. Number 7, communicating with a consumer regarding a debt by postcard. So again, this is refers back to 15 USC 1692B, location of information. Same thing. You can't communicate with the consumer or someone other than the consumer by postcard. Number 8, using any language or symbol other than debt collector's address. So like I had said before, basically the only thing should be on the letter that you received from them should just be the address, and that's pretty much it. On any envelope when communicating with the consumer by using the mail or by telegram, except that a debt collector may use his business name if such name does not indicate that he is in the debt collection business. All right, so that is 15 USC 1692F, unfair practices. So that's that right there. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.